In the 1950s, scientists in Japan noticed a young macaque do something no monkey had done before. She washed her sandy sweet potato in the ocean. Not to be polite, she wanted the salt and the clean bite. Her name was Emo, and soon, her friends copied her. Then their mothers, then their younger siblings. Within a few years, almost the whole troop was doing it, but only on that island. This was one of the first documented cases of cultural behavior in non-human animals, skills passed not by instinct or genes but by learning from each other. Just like human traditions, it spread socially, not biologically. So next time you see an animal doing something unusual, it might not be random. It could be the start of a tradition, one that lasts for generations.